The ZKManet2441 is a ground terminal designed for long-distance video data communication. It has built-in GPS tracking module and wireless communication module. The airborne GPS module feeds GPS payload coordinate information to the wireless communication module through serial port for transparent transmission. The ground terminal calculates the pointing angle based on its own latitude and longitude and that of the airborne module. This ensures your ground panel antenna is always aligned with your airborne module, maintaining the best possible wireless reception and significantly increasing the range. It adopts 1 transmitter, 2 receiver dual antenna transmission with a high gain directional antenna for sending and receiving, and an omnidirectional antenna for receiving, which can transmit signals more effectively.